Hello, and welcome to Collision TV. Today, we're diving into the heart of Indian culture to explore the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, a celebration that brings millions of people together in joy and devotion. In this video, we'll uncover the history, significance, and the vibrant festivities that surround this beloved Indian festival. Ganesh Chaturthi is a wonderful celebration, but to truly appreciate it, we should start by exploring its history. Imagine diving into a story from a long time ago, a story that's been passed down through generations. Long ago, in the world of Hindu mythology, there was a special god named Lord Ganesha. He had an elephant head and was known as the remover of obstacles and the god of wisdom. He was truly unique and much loved. Ganesh Chaturthi is all about celebrating Lord Ganesha's birthday. Yes, you heard it right, gods have birthdays too. According to Hindu beliefs, Lord Ganesha was born on the 4th day of the Hindu month of Bhadrapada. People celebrate this day with great joy and devotion. Now, you might wonder how Lord Ganesha got that elephant head. Well, that's another interesting story. His mother, the goddess Parvati, created him out of clay and brought him to life. One day, when she was taking a bath, she asked Ganesha to stand guard and not let anyone in. When Lord Shiva, Ganesha's father, tried to enter, a big, dramatic misunderstanding occurred, and Ganesha ended up losing his head. But don't worry, Lord Shiva replaced it with an elephant head. And that's how he became the unique god we know today. Now that we know a bit about the history, let's talk about why Ganesh Chaturthi is so special and meaningful to people. Ganesh Chaturthi isn't just a regular birthday party for Lord Ganesha. It's a time when people believe that they can ask for his blessings to help them overcome challenges and bring prosperity into their lives. Imagine it as a chance to make a wish, like when you blow out the candles on your birthday cake. People pray to Lord Ganesha during this festival because they see him as a symbol of wisdom, intelligence, and good luck. They believe that having him by their side can help them tackle any obstacles that might come their way. But Ganesh Chaturthi is more than just asking for blessings. It's also a time for families and communities to come together. Just like how you celebrate special days with your family, people in India celebrate this festival with their loved ones. They visit temples, share meals, and exchange gifts to spread happiness. Now, let's jump into the exciting part, the celebrations. Ganesh Chaturthi is like a big, colorful carnival with music, dancing, and lots of fun. To kick things off, people bring home beautiful idols of Lord Ganesha made from clay or other materials. These idols are like special guests in their homes. They're decorated with colorful flowers, clothes, and jewelry, making them look absolutely stunning. Communities get together to build big, temporary structures called pandals. These pandals house the idols and serve as a central hub for the festivities. Imagine it like a grand stage where everyone gathers to celebrate. People take part in music and dance performances, adding a joyful and energetic atmosphere to the celebrations. The streets are filled with the sound of drums, and everyone joins in the dance, no matter how old or young they are. It's a time for everyone to let loose and have fun. As we learn about the festival, we also want to talk about something important, being kind to our environment. You see, sometimes people make the idols of Lord Ganesha using materials that harm nature. But in recent years, more and more people have started to care about our planet, just like you do. Now, there's a trend of making eco-friendly idols. These idols are created using natural materials that don't harm the environment. This is a wonderful way to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi while also showing love and respect for our planet Earth. Artisans and craftsmen are using materials like clay and paper to create these eco-friendly idols. They look just as beautiful as the traditional ones, and they don't harm our rivers or oceans when they're immersed in water at the end of the festival. By choosing eco-friendly idols, people are embracing the idea that we can celebrate our traditions and festivals, while also taking care of the world we live in. It's like a special gift to Mother Earth. As we wrap up our journey through Ganesh Chaturthi, we hope you've enjoyed learning about this wonderful Indian festival. Remember, Ganesh Chaturthi is more than just a celebration. It's a time for coming together as a community, seeking blessings, and having loads of fun. Whether you're young or old, this festival has something for everyone. So, the next time you hear about Ganesh Chaturthi, you'll know the fascinating history behind it, why it's so important to people, and how they celebrate with eco-friendly choices in mind. It's a festival that not only brings joy to millions but also teaches us valuable lessons about culture, tradition, and taking care of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this cultural exploration. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for more enriching videos, and until next time, happy Ganesh Chaturthi!